guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naina and I hope you guys are doing well. You guys are taking this lockdown in a positive way and with a lot of strength. Now for today's video, what I'm going to show it to you guys is going to be relatable to so many girls out there who are locked down since almost 2 months now and are running out of their skincare products, their hair products, their body products. Trust me, I am one of those girls and it makes me paranoid to see that I'm running out of my moisturizer, I'm running out of my mask and everything. It's been almost a week or so that I have switched to various homemade recipes, various DIYs for my hair care, for my skin care and for my body care. And let me tell you guys that the results are so amazing. I have seen a huge change in my skin texture, my hair, my body. My body has become much smoother, my hair fall has reduced, my skin, it has started glowing. I have no acne or anything at all and I'm so happy with the results. So I thought of sharing all these homemade recipes and DIYs with you girls because I'm sure that there must be girls who must have run out of their products or will soon run out of their products. So yeah, without any more talking, let's just quickly get started with the video. So we're gonna start off by skincare, and for that I assume that everyone must be having face wash. So we're gonna start by washing our face properly. In case if you're running out on face wash, then all the grocery stores are having those basic drugstore face wash and the best ones are Cetaphil and Himalaya. So if you can get your hands on that one, that's great. First, so you have to wash your face properly. Once we have washed our face, we're gonna move to face scrub, and the best homemade and most moisturizing face scrub is to use oats and raw milk. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take about 2 spoons of instant oats. You can use any of oats that you have. So you're gonna take some oats and mix raw milk in it. Once I've mixed both the ingredients, I'm gonna use that mixture to scrub my face. Do it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and let me tell you that it gives you an instant glow and it's so moisturizing. You don't need any moisturizer after that. And once you have scrubbed your face, then you're gonna wash your face with lukewarm water. Next step is to apply a face pack, and this face pack is my holy grail. I swear by this face pack, and I don't know, I've been using it for so many years. So all you need is just 2 spoons of besan, a pinch of turmeric and half a lemon and some rose water. Don't worry if you do not have rose water, you can use water instead. And even if you don't want to use water, then you can use tomato juice or cucumber juice. Whatever suits you, you can use that. And I'm gonna mix all these ingredients and just apply it to my face. This is the best face mask ever, you guys. If you are tanned, if you have got pigmentation, use this face mask, and let me tell you that it's gonna give you guys such good results. I love this face mask for sure. I'm gonna apply this face mask all over my face and onto my neck as well, and I'm gonna let it dry for about 5-6 minutes. So you have to wash this face mask once it is semi-dry. Do not let it dry completely because then it is very hard to remove it. So while you're removing this face mask, so you're gonna rub your face with all the besan so that it actually cleans all the impurities and just help you take out all the dead cells, and it will leave your skin glowing, hydrating, moisturizing, whatnot. Now with this, I also like to apply grated cucumber on my eyes. Now I don't like to apply slices because I think it doesn't cover up my eyes completely. So I like to grate some cucumber and just put it in my eyes and relax for about 10 minutes, and trust me that is the most relaxing 10 minutes of my life. I like to do this every week and the results are amazing. Now if you do not want to go ahead with grated cucumber, you can also slice some potato and just put it on your eyes. It will also help you to depuff your eyes and get rid of dark circles. Now once we have washed our face, the next step is to tone our face, and the best toners that we have in our home is to use an ice cube or use lemon or tomato, whatever suits you. If you've got acne prone skin, then you have to stay away from any citric food. So people with acne prone skin, stay away from using lemon directly on your face or tomatoes. So yeah, you can go ahead and use ice cube. That works wonders as well. It helps you to tighten your pores and just depuff your face, depuff your eyes, and it's so good and it's a blessing in summers. Now the next step is to use a moisturizer. Now it is really not important to use a moisturizer if you have used raw milk as face scrub or besan as a face pack, because they generally have moisturizing qualities. But still, if you wanna feel like applying anything on your face, now the best moisturizers that we have in our home is aloe vera gel. I'm sure everybody must be having aloe vera plants in their homes. I luckily have aloe vera gel because I love that gel so much and I apply it every single time. If I wake up in the morning, I'll apply it. If I'm sleeping at night, I'll apply it. I love aloe vera gel so much, so I have it. Even in case if I run out of this, I have aloe vera plant as well. So yeah, the best moisturizer is to use aloe vera gel. If you have got a plant, just take a stem, extract all the aloe vera gel from that and just apply it on your face. You guys are done. It is such a beautiful moisturizer that we have in our homes but we never use it. So yeah, go ahead and apply aloe vera gel as your moisturizer. So we are done with face care and skin care, and now we're gonna move to body care. So we're gonna start by using a body scrub because obviously it helps you to remove all dead skin. All we need is castor sugar or brown sugar. Castor sugar can be easily found in any grocery store, and I have brown sugar, so I'm gonna use that as a body scrub. So I'm gonna take some brown sugar, I'm gonna mix some olive oil in it and some lemon juice, and I'm gonna mix the mixture very nicely, and then I'm gonna use that mixture to scrub all my body. And let me tell you that it leaves your body so smooth. It's like baby soft. I'm not kidding, you guys have to try it. Both brown sugar and castor sugar works equally fine, and they both are great ingredient to use as a body scrub. So you can use any kind of sugar, be it brown sugar or be it castor sugar. It's the best body scrub that you can ever have, and that too so inexpensive. Now after using the body scrub, next comes the body moisturizer. Again, I have the same ingredient, same as face moisturizer, that is aloe vera gel. But if you are a dry skin type and if you need extra care, like I'm a dry skin type, my body absorbs all the moisturizers really quick, so I need something heavy on my body. So I like to mix some olive oil with my aloe vera gel. I'm gonna mix both of them, and then I'm gonna use it as a body moisturizer. It works wonder for my skin. It is so smooth. I love this body moisturizer, like this aloe vera gel mixed with olive oil. If you're not okay with olive oil, you can go ahead and use coconut oil as well. You can use either of the oil. Just mix it with your aloe vera gel, and let me tell you that this is the best moisturizer you will ever use. You're gonna get so addicted to this that you're not gonna use any moisturizer ever again. So yeah, this is the best moisturizer I have ever used, and it doesn't leave your skin sticky or something like that. It absorbs real quick and it's so good. You guys, you have to try out this body moisturizer. So we are done with body care. That's all we need for our body scrub and body moisturizer. I hope you guys try that out and you will see the difference, let me tell you that. Now the next is to take care of our hair. Now I'm gonna give you guys 2 hair mask recipes, one for the veggies and one for the non-veggies maybe. So what I like to use is white egg mixed with olive oil. I apply it on my hair and leave it for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I wash off with my regular shampoo and conditioner, and they leave my hair so smooth. And it has also reduced my hair fall, so I don't mind using eggs on my hair. Like, I'm totally fine with it. It's just that they smell yucks. I use this hair mask once in a week and it has shown me great results. My hair fall is reduced, my hair has become a lot smoother and shinier. But for all my veggie sweethearts, if you do not like to use egg on your hair, you can go ahead and use curd instead. You can mix some olive oil in the curd and just apply it on your hair. Leave it for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then wash it using your regular shampoo and conditioner. That will give you great results too. I have used both the hair mask and they both works wonderful. I love both the hair masks. It's just that I sometimes get bored using one hair mask, so I switch to another one. If you have hair fall problem, you go ahead and use this hair mask. It will definitely give you some great results. So with this, we are done with all the homemade recipes and DIYs that I wanted to share with you guys. I really hope you guys try them out and see the results by yourself. And these are 100% approved from my side. I've been using it for about weeks now and I have seen great results. These are anyway homemade, so they do not have any side effects for sure. And just let me know in the comment section below if you have earlier used any of this mask or recipe, and if you're gonna try any of these recipes and if you have seen the result, just please comment down below and let me know about it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and yeah, do like this video, share it with your friends, and do hit the subscribe button, bell notification button, do all the good things, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.